Hello party people, my name is Elodie, and today I am at Bryce Resort, Virginia, doing screwdriver. So, first things first, Bryce Resort, ski and bike resort. I think Bryce Resort is I love it. And second, the trails are incredibly good, especially when it rains. Screwdriver is particularly my favorite because it is burmy and it's very tight. I like tight things for some reason. Right here it's blocked because of erosion. The lucky thing here, we have another path. Woohoo! Screwdriver is a fun, it's not technical, it's a blue, but it's a good trail for maybe like beginners. They did a lot since last year. If you ever saw last year's screwdriver, they've actually cleaned it up a bit. So right here, there's gonna be a feature, but I usually roll it, so I think it will be much easier if beginners, you can roll it. Intermediates, you can jump it. You see, like, there's a little jump right there. And advanced, you can clear it. I don't care. But like right here, there used to be crazy like roots and rocks. But did you see? I did that so smoothly. Way smoother than last year. Just saying. So that was the end. But now we're coming to like the open part of screwdriver. You can either take the green part, which is over there, or you can take the blue part, which is the burns. Then you have this turn, and you have two options. Take it tight, or take it long. I like to take it long to gain up my energy for the blue. Now the blue is jumps, and the green is just trail. So I usually take the blue, because I want it to be a full blue. And I usually send the jumps. So you have to watch because there's merge, but you have a choice of doing the features. I like to do them because, like, I'm a 10-year-old, so. And then you have the wall ride. You can do that if you want. I usually take the quickest way to do it. But anyway, thank you for watching.
Can we go again?